Potato soup. A side dish from Bosnia and Herzegovina. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Peel the potatoes and cut them into tiny cubes. Step 2. Cut the onion to the smallest size possible and fry it in a little oil on low heat. Step 3. Add flour to the onions and oil. Then add this mixture to 7.5 deciliters of lukewarm water and sauté. Step 4. Add potatoes, tomato sauce, and pepper. Boil for another 15 minutes. Serve with sour cream. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.